everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to show you the plant that always tells me when fall or autumn begins. It's right here, the Jujube. You see the yellow leaves? There's no other plant in my garden that has dropped leaves like this. Pretty much the first day of fall, this happens, always. So when I see this, I just know it's time. Time to change things around. Here comes Lulu. Sean's gonna let her out. Time to change my, as you see in the pile right there, my plan, shovel, pruning, thinning out, removing plants that didn't work. There's a few that didn't work that I'm just gonna get rid of. And making sure to clean up any fruit on the ground that I haven't removed yet. I don't want those overwintering, because now the shade's going all the way out to here, and those aren't going to be baked. You know, they won't be cooked by the sun. They're going to rot, and they're going to cause problems. So this is the time to reflect and the time to think of new things for next year. Happy gardening, everyone.